Good morning students, how are you all? This is your notes video of urbanization. So what is urbanization and list course leading to urbanization? Urbanization it is the process by which the number of people living in the cities and towns increases compared with the number of people in rural areas. A country is considered to be urbanized when over 50% of its population level in towns or cities lives in towns and cities, and it leads to economic and social progress and of a country. It is called developed of organization. And there are some causes to leading to the urbanization: the development of industries, better employment opportunities, better living condition, public utility service, natural growth of population, and religious and historical monument. Now what are the 74th Constitutional Amendment Act? In 1992, the Parliament passed the 74th Constitution Amendment Act pertaining to the urban development. As per this act, it is mandatory for each state to ensure that all bodies like ULB, urban local bodies, that will manage their respective urban areas. Now, what is a smart city and what is a satellite city? Smart city, it is one of which integrate information and communication technology, where ICT stand for it, with internet solution to efficiently manage a city numerous assets such as transport system, traffic control, hospital, water supply, etc. And the five smart cities are Bhubaneswar, Pune, Jaipur, Surat, Ludhiana. Satellite city or town on it is a concept in urban planning that refers essentially to smaller metropolitan areas which are located somewhat near to metropolitan city, but are mostly independent of larger metropolitan area like Sonipat, Gurgaon, Noida, Faridabad, etc. Now you can draw here the figure of satellite and smart cities area. So now what are pull factor and push factor causes in urbanization? So we study it in migration also. Pull factor, it is your attracted to town and cities due to some following reason like employment opportunity, quality of life and standard of living, expectation of improved house services, ability of school, hospitals and environment, and access to higher as well as employment orient. And push factor, it is the reason which compel people to move out from rural area, like pressure on land, not enough for people living, large families mean not enough land for each child, poor quality of life, hard work and poor quality houses, increased use for machinery, reduced job opportunity, lack of infrastructure, electricity, overpopulation due to high birth rate, natural disaster, and workers do not own the land and feel powerless, lack of education, and lack of investment from the government. Now mention to problem of urbanization. So problems of urbanizations are uncontrolled expansion, where urban areas sprang of the meet to needs of a limited number of people, and rapid migration over the year resulted in these urban countries becoming huge in size and thus unmanageable. And high density of population, most of our urban center are overcrowded, where people living per square kilometer in very high, lots of people. Housing and slums, shortage of houses, electricity, education, land rentals, etc. These are the unemployment, where people migrate from rural to urban area hoping for better employment. Transport shortage of public transport result in overcrowding. Delay are quite normal in many cities. Water and sewage problem and garbage disposal, crime rate, urban population. So they are the main causes of urbanization. They are the main problems of urbanization. So now you can write it on your notebook and learn all the question and answers from your notes. Thank you so much.